So we're going to be making a water bottle holder. All you're going to need for this is your piece of material. This one's cut to 10 by 13 inches. That's going to be fitting a wide mouth Nalgene. You can make it a little bit smaller for the height and width. If you're using normal plastic water bottles, then you have a piece of shot cord. This one's 13 inches because it's going to be the same as your longer length there. Then I have two 5-inch pieces of 4-inch wide Velcro, both the hook and the loop. And that's about all we're going to need for this one. So the first step in this is going to be to take your material. This is going to end up wrapping around like this. So we're going to take our piece of material, we're going to take a little bit of this 1/4 inch double-sided tape and put it right on the very edge of our open lips. This is going to be the open mouth of our water bottle holder up here. We're going to run that there all along the top edge, and then we're going to nest our piece of shot cord right down inside of here and fold it over. We're not taping to the shot cord, we're just trapping the shot cord inside that little loop there. There we go, just do that all the way down. Okay, and our first stitch is going to be a double stitch right down here and back. Don't sew to the shot cord, you're just going to sew right beneath where the shot cord is to make a little channel in the material for your shot cord to ride. Next step is to take your 2 pieces of Velcro and put them back to back. Get the edges flush, and then we're going to sew all the way around the perimeter and then through the middle to sandwich them together with the sides facing out. With the 2 pieces sewn together, you can set them right on the inside like that, about halfway down, or just a fuzz under halfway down from the top. And then we're going to fold this edge over it like that. Now we're going to run a double stitch along this edge to sandwich all these layers together. Now with this edge sewn, we can fold it over like this to where the seam that we just sewed is like halfway in the middle. Like that. And now we're going to sew the bottom closed. Once you've done that, you can open it up a bit, and you're going to take these edges and fold them with this bottom seam. This bottom seam, you're going to open it up this way, and about 1 inch in from each corner, we're going to just sew across right there. So you can see it really well from the bottom here. We're just going to sew across that bottom inch right there. Okay, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to take up about 1 inch, and then we're going to sew right across there. And you can see there, we're left with these 2 little dog ears on the bottom of this pouch. You can just cut both of those off, or you can leave them in to add some rigidity to the bottom of your pouch, whichever one you prefer. But now you can turn it right side out. So here we go. We can pull our little bits of shot cord right here out a little bit to give us a little bit of tension in the top there, and I'm just going to tie them over so they won't be pulled back in. This will give us a little bit of friction on our bottle so we don't have to worry about it getting lost. Just put a little bit of friction on our top of our bottle to keep it from falling out. But there we go. Instead, you can put your Velcro a little bit higher or lower depending on how you want this guy to ride. Here, you can just attach that to your kit however you like.